If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform these plain toddler and kid size Converse into these lovely blinged out embellished shoes, keep watching this video. YouTube, so today in this video I'm going to be embellishing two pair of Converse. These are both for my daughter. My 18-month-old daughter wears a 5 in Converse, but I got a 6. So she can have a little wiggle room because she's almost out of a 5. And this is a size 3 in Converse for my 7-year-old daughter. So they both like, especially my older daughter, she loves like rainbows. So I got this kind of like tie-dye feel Converse. So what I'm going to do is just add on some random color rhinestones, the same color as what's on the shoe. Let me just show you what I have here on my little area. So I'm going to use some bigger size gems and a host of other things I'm going to put on here. I'm going to go ahead and get right into it. And I'm doing both pair because they have the same shoe and I don't see the point in doing 2 separate videos. And it's not going to take me long to, you know, jazz these shoes up. I'll be using E6000 glue to apply the gems and the rhinestones. I may add a couple spikes, I'm not sure. I'll be wiping the shoes off with alcohol. You can use any alcohol. I just like to wipe down the toe area and the sides. Basically anywhere you'll be adding some rhinestones, you want to wipe that off. Oh, also I'll be using this wax pickup tool. I'll have some links available if you're interested in purchasing one of those. And I'm just going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'll be wiping both shoes off with alcohol on the rubber areas while I add the rhinestones. Then I'll be using the E6000 glue. Okay, so you're going to start off with small amounts of glue at a time, so you can add on your rhinestones. You don't want to put too much glue and you're moving too slow because it will get rubbery. So just do like little areas of glue at a time. And make sure that your rhinestones are as close together as possible. Once you get a good flow going, you'll realize that this is not as hard as it seems to be. So just take your time and just add your rhinestones. And while the glue is still wet, you can just go ahead and push them together if they are a little far apart. You just take your time, you just kind of take your little tool and just push them closer together. So as you can see, I'm almost done with the toe area on the first shoe. I'm just going to take about 3 rhinestones and close up this little area right here. Okay, so now I'm adding some glue, like a hefty amount of glue, because I'm going to be using some like bigger size gems that I have. And this is like a 30mm. It's really cute, it has some nice sparkle to it. I use these also sometimes to turn them into charms for Crocs. But they look really good on this shoe. So I'm just going to scatter probably about 3 or 4 different gems on the side of this shoe. I have a little extra glue right there. I'll go ahead and wipe that off if you have too much glue. So I'm going to turn the shoe like over so it can dry, just so it doesn't start to slide down. So I'm working on the second shoe now. So it's better to lay the shoe like this, because with this being so much glue, you don't want the things to start to slide down because these gems are kind of heavy. And I'm only doing the outer edge of the shoe. I'm not going to do the inner side of the shoe. I think this is enough. And I just want to just see how these hold up on the shoe. So this was something really, really simple, and I think it's really pretty what the shoe has going on already. So I didn't want to take away from the tie-dye because my daughter really loves the colorful tie-dye effect. Now I am working on my younger daughter's shoe. This is the smaller toddler size shoe. And I'm doing the same thing. I'm adding these colorful rhinestones to the toe area, just taking my time, making sure everything is nice and tight and close. And this design didn't take long at all. And again, I'm going to add some gems to the side of the shoe. And by her shoe being a lot smaller than her big sister shoes, I'll just be able to add, I think, 2 or 3 gems on the side. So I'm just going to press down firmly, and I'm going to lay that one on the side as well. And I'm actually almost finished. My daughter's shoes even more fabulous, I am going to be adding on these shoelace charms. I have some of these. I'll be adding them to the website. I had them for a while and I actually kind of forgot. So these are really cute. So what you do is you put the shoestring through it. It's actually my first time using them. You add the shoestring through. Just like this. Okay. Make sure you line everything up properly. Just like that. You see how that's in there? Fabulous. Now I'm just gonna string. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of the size 3 Big Kids Converse. And I think they came out so adorable. Like, I didn't know exactly what direction I was gonna take at first. But once I realized that these gems take up a nice amount of space on the side and that I didn't want to do too much, it just kind of made sense how everything came together. I really like the toe area with all of the different color rhinestones. And that is exactly what my daughter is into, all the different colors. Also, my very favorite part of this shoe is those shoelace charms. I love these shoelace charms. I think they are so sparkly and so beautiful. And the cool thing is, hopefully none of the gems fall out because they could be reused in a different shoe later on. So I will be adding those to the website. So if you're interested, I will have a link available as to where you can purchase those. And my daughter absolutely loves these shoes. She cannot wait to wear them to school. And she has so many different outfits that she knows she wants to put with these. This would be a great gift to make for your daughter, or even just something just on the daily basis, just for them to have some little simple, cute bling. This would be nice for your goddaughter, your niece, just anyone who's like really into colorful things would like this. So I think these came out super cute. There's so many different ways you can go with this. You can add even more gems. Like, you could fill it up if you want to. It just depends on how far you want to go with it. And usually with the kids' shoes, they are a little more rough. So I think the less the better sometimes. But children can tend to be a little rough. Now here is the final finished result of the size 6 toddler shoes for my 1-year-old daughter. These are just so super adorable. And she loves these shoes. She points to the area that has the shoelace charms on them, and she just loves them. She likes sparkly things. She's a girly girl also, like me and my 7-year-old daughter. And I'm really excited about that. And as you can see, I was able to fit 3 large gems on the side. So I thought that was pretty cool. So they both are the same shoe, but they both have a different flair because the sizes are different. Well, I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it or receive some cool inspiration. Share it on Facebook or with someone who you think will be interested in something like this. This would also be a really cute shoe for a little girl's birthday. And then she had like a little colorful tutu and a cute shirt. Just throwing that out there. But thanks again, you guys, for watching this video. Check out my playlist. I do have playlists with all shoes that I blinged out and added glitter to. And I also have other playlists with other items that I blinged or embellished. Hello to my new subscribers. Hello to all of my subscribers. And subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see more videos like this. If you decide not to subscribe, thank you so much for at least stopping by. Thanks again, you guys. Bye-bye.